definitely a really, really great program. And I've never done anything like this before. And I actually found like nutritionists and coaches and other people, following me that I didn't even know. And they kind of very much, also interested to learn. I just don't know what they want to learn from me, but they are interested in me. So I was also thinking probably, once I figure it out, this part, then that probably would be also another, type of survey. As you start sort of exploring the market, you're realizing that,
Yeah.
it might not be exactly the same thing. But how you set up and, I mean, your videos and everything, I mean, I watched everything all the way to Facebook advertisement, although this is going to be for me in the next century, especially if I can't connect GoDaddy. You can imagine that, Facebook going to be out of business before I start doing advertisement. But you've done a really great job. I mean, I really enjoy it. It's such a, you have such a clever idea, like about all this cereal and all this, things, like really good lesson. It's very good. Well, I wish I would be, a little bit younger for this, but definitely a really, really great program.